What's up guys? Ito na ang first step ng sinigang na corned beef by first step. Oh, gisahin mo ang corned beef. Yan. Oh, very good. Next step, maghanap ng sinigang. Sana yung sinigang ito.
Sinigang mix.
Oo, sinigang mix, oh. Yan, ganyan talaga mag-mixing. Oh, focus, ano sa to? Focus. Oh, mikos mo yan ng maayos. Oo, tapos lagyan mo ng
Ginisang. Sinigang mix.
Sinigang mix. Grabe ka preparation. Oh, ganyan dapat guys, ha?
Salamat, tol.
Tol! Good morning, Tol!